मीटिंगे आम्ही थोडी डिसिजन घेयले तिनमध्ये मेजर डिसिजन म्हणते वी आर अनाउन्सिंग कोविड-19 एमनेस्टी स्कीम. आता ही स्कीम पळया ते स्किमीचेर इंटरेस्ट ऑन प्रीमियम एंड लीज रेंटाचेर रिड्यूस जातलो टू 5%. आम्ही पेनल्टी बी घालताले ती सगळी वेव ऑफ जातली आणि 5% इंटरेस्ट ऑन प्रीमियम एंड लीज रेंट. आता इट इज कमिंग ऑन इन फोर्स ऑन 24th June 2023 and it is for 30 days period starting from 24th. Now there will be no more schemes, so we are telling the industry, our request is to the industry, take maximum benefit of it. Now why this is required? Because we took the trouble of identifying how many units were there which were not working, or other which were of no production or status quo. Now we sent our field managers, we took the trouble of identifying all these fellows. That's why first time we came to announce that there are so many pending. But we need to give them an exit scheme. We cannot just say you get out. Because in industry, there are possibilities of it failing. एकदा तांगे कितें मिस जावपाक शकता, मिस तांगे calculations जावपाक शकता, and industry fail जावपाक शकता. So we are giving them a chance also. Exit plan will be first giving them a chance. And if you don't take the chance, then we will be forced to take action and take it back. Now we have done it nicely. We have planned it also. Now we will even put our officers the task of achieving the targets. आम्ही maximum म्हणता आम्ही 8 installments दितले, and all payments dues have to be cleared within the next financial year. It can't go across the next financial year. That is the scheme. Now, then restart Kurpaku, various procedure hai. They can start a unit. If they were manufacturing suppose soaps, they can manufacture something else. That soap could fail. Or if they were preparing cars, something that car could fail. So they can transfer the activity, change the activity. We will give them an option. If they want, they can transfer the unit. We will give them that option also. We will give them even more facility. If they want some other change of activity, if they want permissions, we will help them. Even plans for constructions, we will give them time bound. We will give them all facilities to see that that we generate, more employment. The whole target is to see that even employment is generated at the end of the day. Now we have had many success together meetings, GIDC connects. We have so many schemes, so many things we have done. We have given them options to do, come to see that manufacturing is not stopped, to see that work goes on on part of the IDC. We have even tackled the issues of infrastructure. For the first time, they are in fact having no much complaints about. Although we have identified what work is to be done, and we have seen to it, and we will see to it that we do it. Now, all this, we want the industries to take benefit, and if you don't take benefit, we will be forced to take action and recover whatever proceed or take back the land. Now, one more decision we have taken, and the decision is when it comes to increase in rates. The industry feels that you should not increase any rates because other states are giving better benefits than us. So we have decided to come with a scheme which will generate revenue and which will bring more infrastructure in place. The industries want infrastructure; they want a lot of facilities so that the industrial units run in a better manner. Those facilities we want to give them, and we want to start a self-financing scheme. In the sense, self-financing model where we will identify plots and put them on e-auction. We have already done 2 auctions after I took over as chairman. We have done already 2 auctions and we have got a good response. In the sense that it was not expected. I mean, we were expecting much more. But at least something where we should put the IDC on track. Our whole idea is to see that the industry, the ease of doing business, that our rankings improve. And in that ranking of ease of doing business, we want to see that IDC also is in a better position. I have been In fact, I am on record that 600 units, almost 600 units cross were not this. So we are targeting all of them, and we are seeing to it that we have a better industrial atmosphere.
Please don't come forward to avail of this scheme.
We have stipulated action in the rules and regulations. We will take it and take back the land. Process to take back the land, because after giving so many benefits, if you are not availing it, after giving you even an reduction of interest on the lease rents and the premium, still if you are not doing it, we have no other option, because this scheme will not be repeated back. This is the one last scheme we want to give. When I came, I was not there when COVID was there. But the moment we came, we saw to it that we identified. Every time the issue came, how many, we have brought it on record, which is a difficult task which we had. So we have come up with that scheme to help them. 605 almost units. No, OTS card nahi. I test it. This is that we were trying to bring some OTS. Yeah. So now we have made it a COVID-19 amnesty scheme. The OTS model extendable data. It is going to a different level.
Sir, would you have data on what is the area occupied by the 605 square
yeah,
units?
we will give you. It's almost 18 lakh square meters.
18 lakh square meters.
Yes.
This is for only 1 month.
Only 1 month.
We extended.
No. Let us see the one. See, Amge target, we have to do it. We will put our people on job. All this time, we planned it. It took us time. Like he said, he was supposed to announce it. It is well thought out, in coordination with the industry also. Industry sangon. Industry confidence again, kya? Yeah, we are already in the profit, in the sense that lot of infrastructure is spending. Infrastructure kill झाल्यार आम्ही infrastructure तुम्ही म्हणून दाखवली ती केल लावून झाल्यार आम्ही profit ना. Otherwise we are in profit. So we require some money for infrastructure.
What is the amount that you are in profit?
So we were almost when I took over, almost we were 75 CR down.
Down. So now you are so how much it is?
See,
Financial annual statement will come.
first of all, we are not a profit-making body. So our deficit will depend upon how much infrastructure we want to deliver. So if we want to make Goa an attractive destination for investments and make it competitive at the national level, we need to provide certain minimum assured infrastructure for the industry. So to finance that infrastructure, we are proposing, not just the amnesty scheme, but also to try and use land value capture methods